Okay, so it's been about 3 days of detecting now with very little so far. I've had 2 pieces for about 6 grams. So it hasn't been too inspiring, but hopefully just up here there's a very strong signal, and if we're lucky it'll be a nice piece of gold. Mind you, after saying that I'm just on the edge of a track here, so I don't have my hopes up too high, because being so close to this track, it's just as likely to be a piece of junk too. But there's only one way to find out. There it is right there, it's a big signal. If it is a bit of gold, it'll be something reasonable. After 3 days of detecting, it'd want to be something reasonable. Set this camera up. And let's dig it. Okay. Still in the ground. That's always a good thing. Still in the ground. Now I'm getting excited. It's got to be a bit of gold. Got to be a bit of gold. Speaker in there. Out. Dropped it. Down. It's in my hand. There it is there. Nice one. Nice nugget. That's a beauty. It's got to be. That's got to be the best part of an ounce. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Fresh out of the ground. That's a beauty. A long time coming. But that's what we're after. It's a nice piece. Terrific.